Hey guys, today I will tell you how to set a password on a laptop. Worried someone might access your laptop without permission? The best way to protect your files is with a strong password. Stay tuned, because I'll show you how to set a secure password on your laptop step by step. So let's move on to our video. First of all, you have to open your laptop. Click the Start button. Here is where you have to click the setting. It is important to go to settings. Then click on account. Then click the left side sign option. And you see the password, click on it. And down click the add. After that, top enter your new strong password. And down enter again this password. And down enter different password. And click next, click finish. And that's it, your laptop is now locked and secure. No one can open it without your password. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more tech safety tips. See you in the next one. Stay smart, stay protected.